Hi, I'm Simon. I'm an interaction designer, creative technologist, working on gesture input, like these things here, like it can detect gestures like that. And I had the vision that I want to draw on projectors together with AI and make it a collaborative experience with people in the room. And before 3 months, I started to build something for Touch Designer and the Dot Simulate plugin. And I was very dependent of a good machine, and I just have a MacBook with me. At some point, I always searched for Mac support on .simulate Discord, and then I got to know about Daydream, about the API, and I was instantly hyped and thought that's exactly what I need right at the moment for my solution. I had a week of holiday, so I jumped into the cohort and built my demo that I'm gonna show now. Right, I created a web application that makes it very easy to jump on and get a StreamDiffusion output. You can control everything on a tablet, on a computer, wherever you want. You have the ControlNet settings here. I added some presets, and yeah, you can basically draw together with AI. And here now I'm controlling the mouse with my wrist, and there's a little almost hidden cursor, and when I tap, it creates these splats. I'm playing around also here. At the moment, my OPXY is connected to tablet via audio input. At the moment, I'm using audio as input, so I have different kind of ways. I can use fluid as input. I can use audio as input, and I use my iPad now at the moment for audio. Yeah, and the third thing that I have is Touch OC. So this is tablet running Touch OC. It's connected to the experience on my computer. So it uses 4 fingers, so it's quite natural. It's beautiful how you can use it in a live scenario. I had it with me last week for Berlin Art Week, where I was able to showcase this prototype on a wall. And I could just take my iPad with me and control the whole thing and match it to the audio basically manually with my fingers. And it felt pretty magic. I added a Telegram bot, so you can write in Telegram. So here, when you follow the link Diffusion prompt bot, everyone can access that. You can just type anything inside or presets, and then you see the presets that I want, for example, blooming flowers, and then it sends the prompt blooming flower, and it's in a wait line, so everyone can post stuff in it. And I can decide here how I want to increase the waitlist interval. For example, every 10 seconds, a new prompt will appear. And for example, next one, I want fractal jellyfish, evolving fractal jellyfish. So this can make it a very nice co-creation in the room. So everyone can just type in prompts in Telegram. And in the next version, I want to implement IP adapters so everyone can send even pictures via Telegram and feed this output. I also added solution so you can get an IP, like a link that you can send to other devices, send to Touch Designer, send via NDI to other platforms. So it's kind of using some Pro Tool interfaces to make it powerful. And it's full of shortcuts to make it very handy. So Control H to hide the interface, Control D for debug log. And I can also map it like with the mouse. When I turn the palm up and tap, it hides the UI, and I can focus on creating fluids. And I palm up again and tap, and then there's the UI again. You can also play around with my camera. Yeah, and the cool thing here is you can layer things. Like at the moment, I'm layering like camera and fluids. So you can draw around yourself. That makes it really, really trippy. You can also upload media, like put a logo in the center if you want to have brand stuff. You can pause the whole thing and start drawing like shapes with light. Velocity drawing is especially for the watch, so I can just draw like with my arm. Yeah, you can play around with the animation, with the fluid, and here's everything explained. Yeah, that's it.
Amazing. This is amazing. You've really put a lot of features into this product, and yeah, it's really cool. Yeah, thank you for sharing this.
You're welcome. And you can try it yourself on diffusion.de. and just put in your API key, your Telegram bot, and then you can have the same experience.
Diffusion.de. That's also
Diffusion
a great
Lab.
domain name. Diffusion Lab.
Diffusionlab.de. Yeah.
Awesome.